Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
The Honorable Mr. Lukmanul Hakim, SPD, and friends, let's love. First of all, let's us thanks to the Almighty Allah Subhanahu wa Taala because of His blessing we are able to come here to join in this English meeting. The presentation today is about song. Now I will read by one our agenda today that are. The first session is opening, followed by the second session introduction. The third session is the presentation. The last one is the closing session. Well, let's open our meeting by saying basmalah together. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Thank you. For the next agenda is the introduction session. Introduce, my name Andinika Febrianti as moderator, along with my group member Fatuliza Nur Afifa, Fitrianti, and Diana Hayati. The next agenda is the presentation session. For the first talk, I will give it to our first presenter. Please welcome Fatuliza Wida Nur Afifa.
Hi. So, the definition of a song. At its most basic, a song is a short piece of music. It combines melody and vocals, although some composers have created instrumental pieces or musical works without words that mimic the quality of a singing voice. The words of a song are called lyrics. Lyrics can include a series of verses, the longer section of the song that tells the story, and its refrain, a short phrase repeated at the end of every verse. Songs can have a simple structure of one or two verses, or a more complex one with multiple verses and refrains. Songs usually have a matter of beat. Whether you sing or speak the lyrics, you can build a pattern or pulse in the way the words move the song forward. The word song has been around for a long time. Songs are used for many purposes. One, to tell stories. Two, express emotions. Or three, convey a belief in faith. Generic structure of the song. Love Yourself, Justin Bieber. First one. For all the times then you read need on my breath and all the clubs you get in using my name. You think you broke my heart? Oh girl, for goodness sake, you think I'm crying on my own. Well, I am. Part refrain. And I didn't wanna write a song cause I didn't want everyone thinking I still care. I don't, but you still hit my phone up. And baby, I'll be moving on. And I think you should be something I don't wanna hold back. Maybe you should know that. Part pre-chorus. There is my mama don't like you and she likes everyone and I never like to admit that I was wrong. And I've been so caught up in my job to see what's going on. But now I know I'm not sleeping on my own. Part Taurus, there is, cause if you like the way you look that smash, oh baby, you should go and love yourself. And if you think that I'm still holding on to something, you should go and love yourself. But first two, there is, but when you told me that you hated my friends, the only problem was with you and not them. Part refrain, and I did wanna write a song cause I didn't want anyone thinking I still care. I don't, but you still hit my phone up. And baby, I've been moving on. And I think it should be something I don't wanna hold back. Maybe you should know that. Part pre-chorus is my mama don't like you and she likes everyone and I never like to admit that I was wrong and I feel so caught up in my job. Did you see what's going on? But now I know I'm better sleeping on my own. Part chorus. Because if you like the way you look, that mess of baby, you should go and love yourself. And if you think that I'm still holding on to something, you should go and love yourself. Part bridge. There is for all the times that you made me feel small, I feel in love, now I feel nothing at all. I never felt so low and I was vulnerable. Was I a fool to let you break down my walls? What chorus there is, cause if you like the way you look that much, oh baby, you should go and love yourself. And if you think that I'm still holding on to something, you should go and love yourself. Cause if you like the way you look that much, oh baby, you should go and love yourself. And if you think that I'm still holding on to something, you should go and love yourself.
Next, third is for the second speaker, Diana Hayati. The floor is yours. Content of the song Love Yourself, Justin Bieber. The song Love Yourself tells the story of a relationship that ends because of the selfness of one party, namely the girl. This selfness makes her always feel the most right because of feeling uncomfortable and a loss in the warm passion. Finally, the guy decided to end the romance between the two of them. What's surprising is that after the relationship ended, the girl is still always entertaining the boy's life, in the sense of disturbing his life constantly. Finally, for, the, for that reason, the boy decided to signal the girl to go away from his life, and from there she realized what their relation had to end. Purpose of the song Love Yourself, Justin Bieber. The first to tell us that we should treat and call people well. The second, if we are no longer dating or together, we must also know how to keep our distance. Don't drop our self-esteem with the guy by constantly connecting him, especially if turns out that he has moved on from you. Reward yourself by trying to learn move on to. The third and also urges us to love and respect ourselves more. Next is Fitrianti, third session to talk.
Language features of the song Love Yourself, Justin Bieber. The first use of the first person text that message is, I never like to admit that I was wrong. I did one word a song. I'm better sleeping one by one. Use of the second person text that message this, you should go and love yourself, cause if you like the way you look that much, maybe you should know that. Use of the third person text that matches this, she likes everyone. The second alliteration text that matches this, you think you broke my heart, oh girl, for goodness sake, think I'm crying one by one. Well, I never like to admit that I was wrong and I been so caught up in my job. Did see what see going on. The fourth, there is a rhyming text that matches this for all the times that you rain on my parade and all the club you get in using my name. You think you broken my heart? Oh girl, for goodness sake.
So the conclusion of this presentation is we can now and increase knowledge about the meaning of song. In short, a song is a poem that is pronounced according to its tone, rhythm, time, and melody to form harmony. The song is often also referred to as a song which means to composition, to tone or sound. Usually accompanied by musical instrument to produce musical companies that have companies and perfection using rhythm. And the range of rhythmic notes or sound is also called song. And we can also find out the generic structure, purpose, context, and language feature of the song Love Yourself, Justin Bieber. Okay, that's all from our group. More or less sorry. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.